Hello, mommies, daddies, and all my lovely viewers. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. If your wife or anyone in your family is pregnant, then first of all, congratulations on the upcoming new member. Everyone is naturally curious to know whether the baby is a boy or a girl. Some people rely on ultrasound, while others still trust the old traditional methods passed down by grandmothers and midwives. Back in the day, there was no ultrasound at all, so whatever mothers and grandmothers predicted was often accepted. And surprisingly, many times it turned out to be right. Today, I'm going to tell you how people traditionally guess the baby's gender by looking at the belly button. But before we start, a small request. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Here, I regularly upload videos about maternal and child health, as well as daily beauty and health tips for both men and women, things that will help you in everyday life. Many of you clicked on this video out of curiosity or entertainment, and that's totally fine. But please remember, this video is not meant to make you hope for a boy or feel any pressure. A child is a blessing. Boy or girl, it doesn't change anything. It's your own child, and you must love them no matter what. These signs are partly traditional and partly based on general observations, so they are not 100% scientifically guaranteed. Now let's finally talk about how the belly button is believed to show whether you're having a boy or a girl. A pregnant woman's belly button usually begins to change around the 7th month. For some, it changes earlier or later, sometimes even toward the end of the 9th month. According to traditional beliefs, if the belly button pops outward, it is said you may be having a boy. If the belly button pulls inward, people say you may be carrying a girl. But to notice these signs properly, you usually have to wait until the 3rd trimester. Stand in front of a mirror and look at your belly. If your belly looks like a basketball, round and forward, you may be expecting a boy. If your belly looks more like a watermelon, wide and fuller, you may be carrying a girl. Now feel where you sense the baby's weight. If most of the weight feels in the front, many women ended up having boys. If the weight feels spread all across the belly, many ended up having girls. Grandmothers also make predictions by observing the belly. If the lower belly hangs more downward, it's believed to indicate a boy. If the upper belly appears fuller and lifted, it is said to indicate a girl. Where you feel the baby's movement also plays a role in traditional guessing. If the baby moves a lot but kicks less, people often say it's a girl. If the baby moves less but kicks strongly, many say it's a boy. Some mothers also say they felt stronger movements on the right side when they were carrying boys. The dark line that appears on the belly during pregnancy is called the linea nigra. Traditional beliefs say, if the line goes from the lower belly up to the belly button only, it may indicate a girl. If the line fades toward the end of pregnancy, some say it suggests a boy. If the line runs from the lower belly all the way up to the ribs, people often say it's a boy. On the other hand, many mothers say that when they were carrying a girl, they felt most of the movement on the left side. Another traditional method to guess the baby's gender is the pendulum test. Take your wedding ring and tie it to a strand of your hair. Then, lie down on your bed and gently hold the ring above your belly. If the ring moves in a circular motion, it is believed you may be having a boy. If the ring swings back and forth like a pendulum from head to toe direction, people say it indicates a girl. The pendulum test is practiced not only in our country, but also in many other parts of the world, so you can try it if you want. Another traditional sign people consider is the side you naturally prefer to sleep on. Many women who were carrying girls reported preferring to sleep on their right side. Those who were carrying boys often preferred sleeping on their left side. Of course, you can't observe this yourself while sleeping, so your partner or a family member can help check it for you. So these were some of the traditional signs people used by looking at the belly button and the shape of the belly to guess whether the baby might be a boy or a girl. I'll end today's video with a simple wish. May your baby stay healthy and safe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please share this with pregnant mothers so they can learn about these traditional beliefs too. I'll be back again tomorrow with a brand new video. Till then, goodbye and take care.